welcome back. Now, of all three of these wonderful games I just got from the goddamn fucking game store, I asked my friend, I was like, hey, which one should I play? And I already started on fucking Half-Life, alright? I never played it, okay? Guilty as charged, but, goes ahead and goddamn chooses the fucking Alien Isolation. Now, I've heard this one's pretty good. It's like fucking, it's just like Amnesia for the console, okay, and it redeemed itself after freaking Space Marines. So we're gonna find out. And he said he chose it because he wants to hear me scream. Now, does that not sound any more Deliverance-y? You know, like, squirrel for me, boy! Alright? Okay, so, you know, I already started, you know, the little tutorial, alright? Alright, sorry about that. But, I'm prepared for this, alright? The lights are off, the blinds are closed, and I went ahead and drank 2 cups of coffee, so I'm wound up tight, kept all the screams inside. Of course, if, like, nothing happens this entire gameplay, you know, it's just like, you know, that'd just be like, what the fuck? That'd just be, like, so disappointed. I have to do it, like, another night or something, just make a whole series based on Alien Isolation. Hopefully, with this camera here, won't take away from the atmosphere. Of course, we all know it will. Is everything in here? Is everything in here? Oh, let's hope that's a good angle for you. Hopefully, okay. Gotta be quiet. Oh, not the memory unit. Oh God. Okay, gotta load. Wait a minute. I don't get it. Oh well, fuck it. Load current save. Okay, so we just got on the super duper scary space station, and like nobody's there. Also, you're not playing as Sigourney Weaver. You're playing as her daughter, which is unfortunate because in the 80s she made all those 80s boys Sigourney for her beaver. This is what I'm getting paid for. This is top-notch jokes here. Alright, so fuck. Loading times are fucking atrocious. Because it's one of those games that are just so new, they fuck with your last-gen console. But it's made by Warner Bros., so, you know they make good games. You know, like, Batman, Battle Stations, and, oh, here we go. Is it a bit too bright? Is it a bit too bright? Should I turn down the brightness? Contact the Torrens. That's the spaceship we came on. Open the door. The door. Open the door. You can't get out. Move very slowly. Move very slowly. I like how the terminals look like they're from the fucking Fallout universe. Know what I'm saying? Look at my hands. How do I get out of here? Get out of here. Oh. Nope, that's a computer. Am I stuck on the first fucking level? Jeez. Did all that tutorials, and you don't know shit, do you? Screams in my head. Talking to myself. I bet the aliens just like, where is everybody? Oh, I found it. Is this an elevator? What am I doing? I don't have a flashlight. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that noise? Oh, it's a light. Okay. Something's been through here. Oh, I'll just follow it. Okay. Oh, look, another vent. Wonder what's up here. Okay. Is this a stand-up? Okay. For those of you who don't know, I chose hard difficulty because, you know, I'm not a pussy, okay?
This whole damn place is falling apart.
Oh yeah, thanks for, you know, describing the obvious. You talking to yourself? Like, what are you, me? Heh, stupid. I'm just kidding, you know, it's good that we have female characters in games. It's always fun when they have personality. It can't get through here. How I jump. Man, I gotta stop talking. I'm ruining the atmosphere. Cause you know, it ends with the word fear, and I get it. It's top-notch writing, folks. I didn't even write nothing, huh? I'm ad-libbing everything. Why am I talking about this? Whoa, get out of here. Ooh, look, some scrap metal. Hey, look, I'm a dog. I'm in the doggy kennel. This spooky music. Why is there smoke on the floor? Oh, it's so dark. Oh, what the fuck was that noise? Oh my God! Let's just keep moving forward. Hopefully he respects our bravery, yeah? Oh, there's lights, but I'm still scared. Oh, the sparkles. Oh. Hello? Hello? Oh dear. Oh dear. It's a body. Is that a body bag? Oh man. Oh no, there's bodies everywhere. You got nothing to say now? When there's bodies everywhere?
That's gotta be the exit up ahead.
Oh yeah, sure. It's the fucking exit, but there's bodies everywhere. You're not concerned that there's bodies? What's up the stairs? What's up the stairs? Okay, there's nothing up the stairs, whatever. You can't scare me, alien. Can't scare me. John, if you're watching this, don't sue me for sounding like you. I'm not getting paid for this. Ooh. Language? Also, I'm not hearing voices. Creaks, definitely. But no voices. Looters pay. Oh, looters will pay. Okay. Ooh, lost luggage. The scariest. Oh. Maybe coffee wasn't such a good idea. Because I gotta pee. Well, hopefully, you know, hopefully poop don't scoot out of my toot chute. Meh. Worked all day on that one.
What's back here? What's back there? It's so dark. I'm getting out of here. Oh, back to the light. What's the... Ooh. Use it, stupid. Quick time events. My favorite. 3. Dr. Hammond, I think we're back in business. Nah. Oh. Oh. There's friendly music. Oh, friendly music, come back. Oh. Oh. All these noises are scary. Oh. Oh. Oh, the treasures. Treasures in there. But, oh. Oh. Oh, no. The maintenance jack, I'll jack it up right now. There's no alien and already I'm scared. Well, but that's what good pacing is for, right? What? Mister, are you okay? Oh. Oh. Oh no. It's opening by itself. I'm getting out of here. Huh? Can't get in there. Plasma torch. Do I look like I got one of those? Oh. Oh. Hopefully I can go through there. I can't go through there. Oh. Oh. Oh, Ripley. What are you doing? You're so observant of certain things, but not of dead things. I mean, jeez, what's the matter with you? Oh, why can't I get in there? I can't get in nowhere. Oh. This is spooky. This is super spooky. Oh, nothing in there. Don't want to go up there, it's too dark. No. Oh. Oh no. The true fear is the fear of not completing the game because you're too stupid to figure it out. There's no waypoint, which, you know, is good because organic gameplay, but still, it's just like, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Which isn't necessarily a bad thing, I guess. I mean, if it's this game. Oh, jeez. Oh, dear. Oh. Ripley. Where's the thing? Okay, exclamation points right next to me. Just gotta get it. Oh, look at my feet. Look at how they spin around in the gravity. Wow! Okay. Okay. The exclamation point is right there. Okay, so let's it's right there. What the fuck? Is it up there? Ripley, what are you doing? Why you gotta scare me like that? Maybe it's in this box. Maybe it's in this bed. What is that? Is that? Oh, what is that? That's a dude's face. This man, this god. Someone's been reading some Hustler magazines, I see. While on the job? I don't think so. Not on my ship. No, this isn't my ship. This is also, you know, somebody's private thing, this space station. According to the mission logs, they are going out of business. Maintenance jack. What's a maintenance jack? I can't open the maintenance jack. Oh. by the time something actually does happen, I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. There's a picture of a box on the map. It's right here. Legend. It's an item / tool / weapon. So where is it? Where is it? Oh. 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 Where? Do I have to press a button? Jeez. I'll just go back to where they came. You know what? Fine. Hope he eats me. You know, cause whoa! Oh! Stop fucking with me, alien. God. I'm gonna walk all over these bodies. I'm so mad. Fuck you, dead person. That's what you get for dying. Fuck the marshals. Yeah, that's what I said. He's probably the dead guy. Oh look, there's an open door. Oh. This looks like a friendly place to raise the children. What's this button do? Obviously nothing. Oh, what's in here? Hold to hide. Whoa, I better hide. Whoa, jeez. Okay. Hiding from nothing. Ah, yeah, serves you right. Well, okay, let's just... You know, you gotta be fucking loud about it, you know, just... Oh, a save point! Better save my game, you know, just in case I die. Man, it takes so long for you to save your stupid data. Wait, what was that? It says it shows me if there's, like, bad guys. Are there bad guys? Are there bad guys? Yeah, I don't want to go in there. What's in there? Look at all these buttons. Are you telling me that one alien killed everybody on this ship? Space station? Whatever the fuck? One alien. I mean, how many people were here? There's a big fucking space station. One alien killed everybody. Guess I gotta go in there. Oh, there's dripping water and blood everywhere. Oh, there's water. Oh, this looks like an empty room. Hopefully there's nothing in here to spook me. Oh, whoa. Yeah, the door jack. Ah. Okay. Keep it cool, man. Just looking. Oh man, a dead guy. What's this? A bowling ball? Who brought a fuck? It's a puzzle bowling ball. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's made out of gold. You know, that's not weird or anything, you know. Let's put it in the storage room, you know. I don't want to go in that glory hole.
Oh, fuck.
That's what I thought. Just no. Okay, so all those dead bodies that you walk by, you're just like, oh, yep, no, fuck it. But that guy, oh, he had a wrench. Better go in a glory hole. Oh, are there any aliens in here? Stairway to heaven, guys. Stairway to heaven. I gotta inspect every rung of this ladder. Oh man, this is a big ventilation unit. What are they venting? Like super oxygen? Because we're in space. You walk so slow, and yet I have to walk slower because I'm so scared. There's blood going down there. Why? Just okay. I've got to check to see if I'm alone. Okay, look pretty alone in here. Oh, okay. Hey, I hope you don't mind if I just pick that up. Just gonna fucking give it to me. Ugh, gross. What a bugs doing on the fucking ship? What's this button do?
Hello? I want to make a complaint to the highest authority, okay? My name is Zachary Watson. That's Watson. You get that? My complaint is this. Fucking marshals.
Yeah, fuck you,
They
Marshall.
should be protecting us. It's their job. Something's on this station where they say no one knows what it is. No one fucking knows.
Yeah, no one knows.
They put braces on the doors. Lockdown.
Well, at least it wasn't braces on your face.
Keep something out. I'm fucking terrified. Fucking
Oh, you're terrified. I'm fucking terrified. This guy. Yeah. I'm just gonna grab his ID tag just in case, you know. The missing. Yeah, okay. Remove the brace. Toink. Oh, jeez. Yeah, okay. Hold the button. Left to right. Yeah, slow time event. That's what this is. Well, that was easy. Ah, I think I can take on this alien. Yeah, that's what I can do. Oh, what? Those are moving by themselves. Oh, no. I guess I'll just remove this brace. Hope no aliens come up behind me. Okay. Gotta do my slow time event and move left. Yay! Okay. This ain't scary. I ain't scared. Just open the door. Oh, is that Jack? I need a drink. Ethanol. Ethanol? Okay. Scrap. Another audio log. These are boring. Okay.
interview subject. Heist.
Heist.
Did I say that right?
Tower heist.
Heist?
Is it
Look,
haste?
if you can't even tell me your name, we're gonna be here a hell of a long time.
Oh no. I only got like a half hour.
He's got you all into a lot of trouble.
Oh yeah, he does.
Someone's gonna be accountable.
Well, I mean, with a guy named Heist,
Damn sure.
you think he's gonna steal some shit?
Well, tough guy, huh? Turner, turn off the tape. Maybe our friend here is just shy.
I mean, like, you know, it's the future. Why do we still have tapes? Only because the movie had tapes, which makes this authentic game. You know, even the doors have that Purina logo on it. It's pretty cool. It's actually kind of immersive, you know. It makes you feel like you're in the game with the wobbly fucking windows. Why are they wobbly? Oh, God! Those side things, they always freak me out. It was like cats. What was that move? What was that sting? What was that music sting for? I didn't see anything. God. Stop. What's that? Ah, another one.
Ferris, it's Turner. Gotta deal with that wasted asshole again.
The break.
This time he nearly wrecked the door with a maintenance jack.
Okay, hang on, you guys. I gotta pee.